Hi friends, welcome to Government Job Preparation Center. So in this video, we're going to discuss about a number system. Okay, so this is RRB Group D preparation for RRB Group D and Assistant Local Pilot and Technician, and this is Class 2 and Model 2. Okay, so subscribe to the channel, guys, and also share this video and also hit like button, guys, if you like this video. Okay, so we're going to start the preparation for RRB Group D and LP and Technician. So guys, subscribe to our channel, then you can get notifications about all our new videos and also hit the bell icon, guys. Okay, let us start this topic. So first, a number when divided by 8 times. So this is the first question. So this is a model 2. Okay, so model 2 questions. So we have also done a video on model 1 questions also and a class 1. So if you want to see that, you can also see in our video section. Okay, so a number when divided by 899 gives a remainder 63. If the same number is divided by 29, the remainder will be. So he was asking the number when divided by 899. So let us write the given data. Okay, first write the given data. So guys, listen carefully this question. Okay, so any question, if you are reading any question, so first listen the first read the question carefully, then try to answer, try to solve that question. Okay, so first, a number divided by, when divided by 899, so a particular number is divided by 899. So let us call this number as x. So I'm calling this number as x. Okay, so a number when divided, okay, a number when divided, okay, divided by 899, so divided by 899, so gives the remainder. Okay, so gives remainder 63. So here it was giving the remainder as 63. So it was giving the remainder 63. Okay, so this is first conclusion. So let us take this in first two steps, guys. Two conditions. So this is first condition which was given by them, and so second condition, if the same number, so this is let us take this as second condition. So if the same number is divided by 29, the remainder will be, okay, same number. That means what was the number? So we have considered this number as x. Okay, so number is equals to x. So this is number. Okay, so we have considered this number as x. So if the same number is divided by 29, the remainder will be. So first we have to solve the number x. Okay, we have to get the value of our number x. So first, a number when divided by 899. Okay, so first it was having a small formula, guys. Okay, so first it was having a small formula. Let us discuss this formula. So first, so this was the formula: dividend is equals to divisor. Okay, so dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So do you know what was the divisor here and what was the dividend here? So I will explain the dividend and divisor here, guys. Okay, so x by 899, so 899 x. So this is said to be as a divisor. Okay, so this is said to be as divisor, and this is a dividend. Okay, and this part is said to be as a quotient, and the answer, the final answer will be the remainder. So this is divisor, dividend, and quotient and remainder. Okay, so first it was having a small formula. This is a small formula. You should have to apply this formula for this. So first, dividend is equals to, so dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus r. So here dividend is x. Okay, so dividend is x here. So dividend is equals to, so divisor, so here what is the divisor? 899. Okay, divisor into quotient. So what is the quotient here? Q. Okay, so they didn't give the quotient, so we have to write the quotient as q plus r. That means the remainder. So what was the remainder here? So remainder is 63. So these things, so we got the value of x. So guys, we got the value of x here. So we have proved the first condition. Okay, so they gave the first condition, we solve this first condition, and the next condition, if the same number is divided by 29, the remainder will be. So if the same number, what was the same number? The number is x. Okay, if the same number, the x is divided by 29. Okay, the same number is same number divided by 29. So what will be the remainder? Okay, he was asking this. So what was the x here? So the x is this whole answer, guys. Okay, if this is divided by 29, so what will be the remainder? Okay, so let's divide this thing. 899 into quotient plus 63 by 29 by 29. So this is remainder, guys. Okay, let us check. So this is remainder. So here they have asked only the remainder, so we have to solve only the remainder. So this is remainder. So what he has asked in the question, let us check once again. So if the same number is divided by 29, the remainder will be, okay, same number divided by 29, so the number is x. The same number divided by 29, what will be the remainder? So he's asking the remainder. So here solve this. 29 by 63. So 29 by 63, 29 to go 29 to the 58. So what will the remaining? 5. So 5 will be the remainder, guys, here. So this 5 will be the remainder. So okay, this 5 will be the remainder. So this is the answer. The option number is 2. So here we shall have to solve this like this, guys. Okay, so this has also a small trick. So this is only as per conceptual manner. Okay, I will tell you a small trick for this. So if the question gives like this, then you should have to do a simply. So what was the reminder here? So the reminder is 63, and so what was he asked here? So if the same number is divided by 29, okay, yeah, so he asked if the same number divided by 29, so the remainder will be. So simply you have to do 63 by 29. So this is the small trick, guys. Okay, 29, 63, 2s are 58 and 5. So this is the remainder, and this is the small trick. Simply you have to divide 63 with the 29. So there will be 3 values in this question. So what was this value? This big value and some 2 values which we are given to you, okay, in the question. So you have to divide these 2 values with the first value with the second value. So 63 by the 29. So you will get the remainder as a 5. Okay, so this is a small trick, guys. So apply this trick so that it will save some time. Okay, and our next question is, okay, the smallest number to be added to 1000 so that 45 divides the sum exactly. So here he was asking the question, the smallest number we should have to add it to the 1000. So for this 1000 which have to add it a smallest number, so that 45 divides the sum exactly. So let us take this into a 2 conditions. So this is first condition and second condition. So first condition, he asked the smallest number has to be added to 1000. So the smallest number which has to be added to 1000, guys. Okay, okay, let us check these options: 35, 80, 20 and 10. So let us so guys, for any question, read the question carefully. In the question itself there will be answer. Okay, so let us do elimination process for this. Okay, so smallest number to be added to 1000. So smallest number has to be added to 1000. So what is smallest number here? So first check the biggest number. So 8 is the biggest number. So this is not the correct answer, because in the first condition he has asked the smallest number. So this is biggest number. So this is not, this will be not the answer. Okay, and so that 45 divides the sum exactly is, okay, so smallest number has to be added to this 1000, so that when divided with this 45, then the answer should be definitely exactly. So the so it should be divided with this exactly, guys. Okay, so let us check first this 10, the smallest number. So this is smallest among this. So let us check with this 10. So the smallest number which added to the 1000. So the smallest number 10, guys. Okay, which have to be added to 1000. So 1000 plus 10, that means 1010. So which have to be added to the 1000. So that 45 divides the sum exactly. Go 45 divides to the sum exactly. Okay, 45 divides to the sum. So this is sum, 1000 plus 10 is the sum. Okay, so 45 divides to this sum exactly. So this is not dividing to this exactly, guys. Okay, let us check. So when divided to this, it was getting some decimal number 22.4. So this is also not the correct answer, and let us check the 20 option. Okay, option C. So 1000, so that 45 divides the sum exactly. So 1000 plus 20 by 45, that means 1020 by 45. So the answer will be 22.66. So this is also not the correct answer. It was getting some decimal number. So we should not get the decimal number in order to get the exact divisibility. Okay. And 35 for 35,000 plus 35. Okay. So 1035 by 45. So it's getting exact number, guys. Okay. So 23. So the answer it's getting is 23. So it was getting exact divisibility. So it is the option A is the correct answer, guys. Okay. We have to first divide this into two conditions, what they given in the question, and then next you have to eliminate some options, guys. Okay. By seeing the options itself, we came to know that this option will not be correct, so we have to eliminate that particular option and next try other options with this, so it will saves your time. Okay, so this will helps you a lot for doing this answer quickly. Okay, so let us try this next question. So our next question is the divisor is 25 times the quotient and 5 times the remainder. If the quotient is 16, then dividend is, so he was asking the divisor is 25 times the quotient. So let us write the given data. So here the given data, so the divisor is 25 times the quotient. So is nothing but is equals to, and 25 times is nothing but into. Okay, so the divisor is, so remember these things, guys. Okay, in the max it will help you a lot. So the divisor, so divisor means D is, okay, where divisor is equals to 25 times 25, okay, times the quotient. So 25 times the quotient, guys. Okay, and 5 times the remainder. So the remainder will be 5 times the quotient. Okay, quotient, so it's also 5 times the quotient, and if the quotient is 16, then dividend is, so here the quotient is 16. They have given in the question itself the quotient is 16, then dividend is, so he was asking the dividend, so this is a divisor. So he was asking the dividend. So here we are having a small formula, friends. So the small formula is so dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus this remainder. We have discussed this in our previous question. Okay, so this is a small formula. You have to remember this formula in order to get the answer. Okay, so divisor, okay, dividend is equals to divisor. So what is the divisor? 25. So let us solve this divisor. 25 into 16, that means 400. Okay, so divisor 400 into what is the quotient they have given in the question. Quotient is 16. Okay, and plus reminder. So what was the reminder here? 5 into, okay, 5 into 16, that means okay, 5 into 16, so that is 80. Okay, so 5 into 16 is 80, so reminder is 80. So next 400 into 16 plus 80, the answer will be 6480. Okay, so the option is B. So this is the option, guys. So this is our questions. We also going to do the RB number system model 3 also. So if you want to check that, you can also subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications about all that videos. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.